Today, December 2nd, we'll begin a time capsule assignment. So if you look under products at the bottom here, for next Wednesday, this will be due. This will be a VoiceThread activity. And what we'll do is create a time capsule. And in class today, we'll be looking at an example of a time capsule in VoiceThread. And it will be basically this recording here, or this VoiceThread. And what you'll be asked to do is to go to your own VoiceThread and create a new thread where you upload images and you'll comment on those images. So in class today, we're going to actually develop a paragraph that includes our own time capsule. And then you'll be asked to upload one image for each sentence that you create in this paragraph. So you'll have here your image, and under comment, instead of uploading an audio or video, we'll actually upload text. And just as I'm doing here, you can insert text and upload it just as you would an audio. So you'll have one sentence for each image. So if you have 4 or 5 sentences, you'll have 4 or 5 images that you need to upload to VoiceThread. And I'll show you here very briefly how this will work. So let's see here. Let me open up another browser.
What 10 items would you put in a time capsule?
Okay, so I'm going to go to VoiceThread, and you'll do the same here. So all of you should have an account in VoiceThread. So you'll go to your main page and sign in, just as I've done here. And you'll click My Voice. And here you can create your own voice. You'll create your own voice thread. If you click Create here, you have the option of uploading from your computer or some URL different images. And so here you can upload different images that you want. So let's say that you find here, I'm going to go to Creative Commons, search. You can do the same thing. Creative Commons search is really nice because you can find images that have open license. So you can use these images without having any problems with licensing. If you leave it as default, and let's say you're looking for something related to nature, you have 2 options. You can click Flickr or Google Images. Either one should work for you. And let's say you find an image that you want to upload. The easiest way to do it is to click on the image, and I usually go to the original, and I just did a right click there, and copy image URL. So I copy that and bring that over to this URL and import. And there I have the image. So you can, this I think was the easiest way. You don't have to download files and upload them. You certainly can do that if you want. You can upload images from your own computer or even from your webcam. But for me, this is the easiest way, going and using Flickr and Creative Commons to do a search based on the topic that you want. And you'll repeat this process until you have around 4 or 5 images. Again, 1 image per sentence. And here on comment, you can probably, from here you can upload your comments if you want to work directly from here. And one thing you want to remember here at the very bottom under publishing options is to always click anyone can view and anyone can comment. So you always want to make sure you check these, because by default they're not checked. So just make sure you save those. And you also have different playback options. If you want a full screen to open automatically, you can do that. You can hide the final slide if you want to do that. This is all optional. You can leave it as default, or you can change these as you wish. But do make sure that you go in under publishing options and make it viewable for anyone and for anyone to make comments. So these 2 should be checked, and then click Save. All right, so this is what we'll be working on in class. We'll develop our paragraph. We'll practice reading it aloud, making sure that it's grammatically sound, and then we will have a week to upload it to VoiceThread, creating our own VoiceThread and uploading it here. Now, the last thing you'll need to do is to create a link here. As I did here, I clicked Embed, and there's a link option. Copy this. So once it's copied, then we'll go to our class page in Canvas. And we're going to click Collaborations and go to our class paragraph list. And here we're going to add our voice threads. So I'm even going to create a title here, Writing 1 Voice Threads. And here you can add your name. So you would add your name. Let's say I'll just type my name, select your name, click this icon, insert link, and paste the URL that you copied over from VoiceThread, and that's it. So these are the steps here. This is what I'll be looking for our assignment. So if you do have any questions, feel free to contact me via Canvas or ask me in class.